Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, this might sound a bit funny because I'm on my phone. I promise I won't be staying on my phone. My battery's just a bit flat. So yeah, today I am just going on a weekend away, and I'm just going to share that with you. So it's sort of like a weekend vlog and just come back and organise a few things. I'm being summoned. So yeah, basically before I leave, I always make sure that the house is sort of in like a reasonable state, because you don't want to come back and it's all gross. I don't know what you guys like, but that's me. And then I do some of my Sunday routine stuff like emptying the fridge, changing the cat litter, all that sort of thing. So then when I come back on the Sunday, often I'm quite tired from a trip, so I don't have to do as much. So that just sort of keeps me organised. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm about to head off and I'll take you along with me. I hope you enjoy the ride.
We've got a moment to breathe and watch the clouds roll by. There's no such thing as time when we You don't have to say anything. I don't want you to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run, no rush. You're my cabin.
Okay, so this is where we stayed last night. Yeah, it doesn't look like much at all. It had a nice comfy bed and some central heating, which is a must for me, and that is pretty much all it had going for it. But you know, we're just here to sleep, to be really honest. Like it's not like we're going to be staying in here all day. So if you're wondering where we are at Port Campbell, and today we're just going to do a bit more sightseeing. We're going to go out and see the 12 Apostles. So while Mister is in the shower, I thought I'd quickly share with you my car, because I actually haven't shared my car with you. I told you in the last video I was getting a new car. So this is the car that I hadn't seen. Like, I'd seen a photo of it, but I actually hadn't even seen the car at all. I just picked it out from car sales. I got a guy from RACV to check it out, and he said that was a really good car, so I bought it. So yeah, I'll just go and quickly share that car organisation with you before we head out for the day. So this is the car. This is the upgrade, the big upgrade. They even got roof racks up the top, so that's pretty cool. I wouldn't mind taking Talia for a bike ride. This is the boot. So the car organisation basically here, I've got our grab and go bags and our shopping bag, sun visor, and like a picnic thing. And then I did keep this like organizer. It is originally for an SUV, so perfectly with this car boot I can push this whole back area down so it all sits flat. So this was one of the big features of why I wanted to buy this car, because as you guys know, I want to start my own home organisation business. So yeah, I needed something that if I was like organising like a garage area or something like that, and I had to buy those really big tubs, that I'd actually be able to fit those in the car. Or if I was buying, you know, shelving or something like that, I'd actually be able to fit that sort of thing in the car. So this is the inside. This has not been organised whatsoever. I am back on a manual, which is good. I wanted a manual, so that was pretty cool. It's just a really weird spot to put your gear stick, like, it's strange. And it's got lots of cup holders, and this bit in here hasn't been organised, and it's got the power ports in here as well. And this is the back seat area, and I've just kept my shopping bag thing, which I'm just using as a handbag holder. And yeah, it's got so many cup holders in the car, so I've got all these bottle holders in there, which is really cool. And I've even been able to keep like a cleaner in that door as well, so that's awesome. That is pretty much it. That is the car. We're just going to go and head out now for brekkie and start our day, and I'll just share a bit of that with you, and then we'll head off home. I'm limited because of, obviously I have to pick Talia up today, so we've got to leave by, you know, probably 2 o'clock, 1:30. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a short day. just like yesterday was. It was a bit of a short day, but you know, sometimes it's just good to get out, even if it isn't for long. Sometimes that's just all you need, is just to get out and, you know, just to relax. And the beach, I find, is the best place. The smell, you know, the sound, it's just nature, and it's just great to get away.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, well, that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our life, just staring at the screen every day.
So guys, I'm back from the weekend away. I had this whole thing planned out to sort of record and start decluttering and doing my garage, but when I got home, Talia's father was literally waiting for me in the driveway, so none of that happened. We had some mother-daughter time. So now I am back just to finish the video for you, and I actually purchased these here from, where was it? I love this shop on the way home from my holiday, and I really need to organise all my tech bits. I know you guys probably don't do videos, but this is great for any sort of tech item, so I'm just going to quickly share that with you. Okay guys, so I'm just going to start off by taking the stuff out of this bag. So it doesn't look so bad at the moment, but this bag, when you have the camera in it and it's got the microphone in it, it gets really full, and it is quite unnecessary for me to be carrying that around if I'm going out and recording somewhere. The idea today is just to take out all this like stuff that is basically for the computer and put it straight into this here. So I'm going to do that, and this here is where the microphone goes. I'm actually going to rehome it in here as well. I know it's not like with the camera, but the microphone is really delicate, and I've actually broken one already, and it's costed me, I think it was $150 to replace the microphone on this camera. So yes, I'm going to actually put it in here so it doesn't get broken as well. This is how it's all looking. I have camera mic, USB adapter, blog photos. Yes, I want to start a blog, and I've been sort of collecting bits and pieces, so I thought I'd make my own little hard drive thingy for that so I can find everything. And then I've got YouTube videos, and I have an SD reader as well. So that is it there, and I'm pretty happy with it. And I think the best part about this as well is if I like want to use the microphone, for instance, as I said to you, it's very delicate, then I can actually just take this and put this in the bag or wherever I'm going, or my handbag, and then I know it's not going to get damaged. Whereas if I leave it on the camera, it will definitely get damaged. I'm liking this system, and it's going to be heaps easy for me to like upkeep as well. So anyway, let's jump out into the shed, and I will share with you the garage. I don't even want to share the garage with you. It's so embarrassing. Anyway, I'll share with you the place where everything goes to die. Okay, so this is the garage. There is shelving there, but you can see it's like completely bowed. Like I need to get complete new shelving and deck this out. I have like gardening stuff and all that. I did start sorting it a while ago into like baskets. There's another basket over there. But yeah, this is how far I got. There is so much stuff that needs to go to the tip as well. Like this mattress has to go to the tip. And then like I've got this bike that doesn't get used. Just so much stuff in here, guys. And yes, my washing is in here because it is cold and wet and yuck outside, and there's no way I can get my washing dry. Yeah, I hate things like big clothes racks as well around the house, and I was finding that my cats were pulling things off them and playing with them, so that just didn't work for me. So yeah, this is just how I have my laundry. So Yes, you can see this was a project. This was a project. Oh, and that table was a project. I'm a girl of getting all these projects that just don't get done. So this is like the really terrible part, the thing which I just need to declutter and get rid of a heap of stuff. And this is like my renovation corner of all the things that I'm using for renovating. Like I've got heaps of tiles because there's parts of the house that hasn't been finished tiling, and then I've got some doors, which some of these even need to go as well because not even using those doors now. And then I've even got, like, you know, it's part of the fence that I need to get up. So this is going to be one of those big long projects. So yes, I'm going to start on it soon, but you probably won't see the entire makeover for quite a while. You might see even parts of it because there is a whole big plan to go in here as well. So what I want to do is I want to have like an area where I can park my car because I just spent big bucks on the new car. So I want to park my car in here. So if it's hailing, it doesn't get damaged. Then on this side, I would like to do like a home gym sort of thing. So I've got the treadmill inside. So I want to bring that out here and set up like an area there where I can do some exercise. Anyway, I hope you guys have all enjoyed the video, and of course if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Now, I have been posting extra content on Instagram and I'm going to continue to do it. So today I'm actually spending an hour to like go around my house and just record some stuff that I can use for reels and all that sort of thing. So yes, I'm going to be posting more stuff on Insta. So if you are on Instagram, definitely go and check me out there. I'd love to see you there, and I will catch up with you guys for another video. See you next week. Bye.